Alright, so today we are going to clear a doubt when to use has been, have been, or had been. So, in first, let us begin with first person. I am first person, you are second person, and all others are third person. So, when I am speaking about myself, I will say I have been eating since morning. Or when I'm talking about you, I say you have been eating since morning. When I'm talking about he, she, I will say she has been eating since morning. But if the activity is stopped, I have stopped eating, then I will say they had been eating since morning, but now they have stopped. It becomes plural. So when we are talking in singular and activity is still going on, we say I have been, you have been, she has been, he has been. And in case of plural also, they have been. But if the activity is stopped, then we say they had been. I had been trying to learn since so many days, but now I have stopped. So when the activity is stopped, it is had been. So keep on practicing, keep on framing sentences with I have been, you have been, she has been, and they had been. And tell me,